Good sheep. Yeah. All right, making some cheese. Making some cheese on my Solo stove, and I got a Solo stove hack here. I had these two thin strips of aluminum that I folded over to bind together into one ring that fits perfectly. It's pretty snug to act as an air intake. I just stick my finger underneath, and it's actually relatively like cool to the touch. Like the bottom inch or so of this stove is relatively cool to the touch. You can see how it's just sparking it up. I'm gonna push it down. Push it down, and it cools it back down so that I can actually just cook cheese. So it doubles the time just by putting this sleeve on. Doubles the cooking time. I only have to feed it once every half hour. Yeah, this is definitely a must-have hack for the Solo stove. Having that air intake valve added allows me to just torch the heck out of it and boil some ricotta, or I can lower it, cut off the air, and simmer it down for soup, so I don't have to stir it every minute. Yeah.